Didn't I previously make some landscape mode setups for the MO68 Pro and File 68 Pro? My conclusion is that their performance is similar. However, in terms of looks, the File 68 Pro falls slightly short. This time, Fail's big brother has come to test the Fail 68 Ultra as the factory standard test. Similar high-sex ring hats and trendy ribbons support a 0.02 RT8K return rate. With a full aluminum case PPT ring cap and full magnetic switch in so many quantities, it's only 549 yuan. But is its actual performance really as top tier as the stacking of features? Let's get it done. You only know Faluba Ultra. You say he's the big brother of Faluba Pro. I actually feel it looks more like the Made series casing from Meija Division. The above is almost identical to the top trim of the Mater I previously made. The same ribbon pre-bomb is also made at a slanted angle. The logo is also directly polished. In different places, that is the material. I'm not saying the Made series casing feels a bit too plastic. Fail 68 Ultra is a completely different story. The all-aluminum texture is truly top-notch. You can compare Mad 60 He. Look, I think I have some conclusions in mind. The factory standard red and black test wires and other high-end wires are truly unbeatable in terms of looks. Everyone has been watching the lights for quite a while. What do you think of the lighting effect? Fair's flow with the Ultra's default word switch is fine. The main upgrades this time are in appearance and latency. And the performance has not only reached 0.02 but has also been upgraded. The 8K return rate latency has also been reduced. 0.125. Yoshida, who plays FPS, will be even more adept at it. As for the button sounds, I added several different switches this time. They are Magneto and RGB TTC with star switches, Elite Switch and Elite Gaming Edition. There are also the Star Axis and the Big Brother word of the word. Now, let's listen directly to their voice comparison. I put my personal ranking on the screen. I wonder if everyone's ranking matches mine. Actual gameplay performance. I switched all my WASD to the 10,000 click King switch, but in actual tests it's consistently 0.02. This keyboard is almost a month old. In terms of performance, there's absolutely nothing to complain about. Major bloggers have tested a device that performs very well. For those who are not precision magic contests. For ordinary gamers, 0.02 stable and unbroken. That's already T1 level performance. Overall, in the US and Canada, File 68 Ultra has regained face after losing File 68 Pro. Currently, in terms of appearance, it can be said to lead its price range. M068 Pro has two skills that are quite similar. The Fair 68 Ultra performs slightly better in latency. If your budget is around 500, then this keyboard is definitely a graduation choice. Of course, the above comparisons are based on the original factory setup. If you want it brighter, you can switch to a contour level 2.0. After the replacement, basically you don't need to turn on the lights in your room. As for the female fish shaft, I think it's the tears of the times. From my experience, it's still slightly better than Tianqing's Walk. If you have the conditions, you can use Magneto for more stable performance. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.